Everything is now automated. The Vectors are able to save a human from walking a 10-minute round trip.
It's allowed us to scale our business at a rapid rate. Dental City is a distributor of dental supply products to dental professionals throughout the United States.
In our industry and for Dental City, customer service is key. Because of that, we want to take any order that we receive from a dentist and ship it out that same day, provided they get it to us by 4 p.m.
We have a promise to our customers to deliver next day and guaranteed 2-day delivery. That's what the warehouse does extremely well.
So challenges that we were facing was trying to stay in this same footprint and get all of our products out the same day. We were continuing to add people and throw people at that, and there's only so much that you can do in a space.
Our decision to leverage technology was critical for our organization to be able to scale.
Dental City's been at this location for 30 years. We believe that we can operate here for another 3 to 5 years as is and double the capacity within this warehouse because of the partnerships we have with Infheos WMS and the Locus Robotics automation. The partnership with Infheos was hugely critical to the success of this. Their working relationship with Locus Robotics made the automation possible.
What differentiates Locus is its adaptability, scalability, and flexibility that allows an organization to use that technology as it grows over time.
It's extremely important that Dental City stay innovative because of our size.
Dental City has a lot of different technologies that we employ in our distribution center, from carousels to VLMs to the Locus Robotics themselves, and then bringing that all together with our consolidation area has really helped enhance the technology space within our distribution center.
Everything is now automated.
Previously, when we picked with handhelds, it was taking orders between 30 to 45 minutes before they were getting completed. Being able to separate those orders into multiple zones and attack them at one time has allowed us to get most of our orders done within 5 minutes of coming down. Our employees no longer have to pull around a huge cart. It also cuts their amount of travel time.
The difference with the bots picking, you're only picking in one section. You're not following the bot completely throughout the whole warehouse.
If we have significant spikes during the day, we're able to adapt to that with our robotics, where in the past, we had a lot more overtime.
So previously, during our peak time, we would see as high as 19 to 20 people picking out on our floor, where now we're somewhere between that 8 and 9 mark.
That way we can delegate more resources to the receiving and put away process.
We had receiving that sat the next day, right? Where now we've been receiving everything same day, shipping it out same day. We have bots that we use for picking, and then we have 3 that we use for point-to-point.
We leverage the Locus Vector bot to pick up a cart from our receiving area and bring those carts over to our VLM and carousel area and drop them off, then pick up an empty cart and return them to receiving. We have 2 separate warehouses that are kind of connected by a breezeway, and so there was a lot of travel time that employees were having to go back and forth.
The Vectors are able to save a human from walking approximately a 10-minute round trip in order to get the VLM or the carousel to replenish bulk. Productivity has improved by almost double or tripling the number of picks to 300% better than they were doing prior to the robotic automation.
Currently, Dental City is in year 1 of a 5-year strategic plan. Last week, we hit a 1-day revenue number that was equal to our 5-year goal. And our team was out the door at 5 p.m. With Locus Robotics, we had forecasted about a 3-year return on our investment. I think we'll capture that in 16 months and under.
It's very important for us to get our products not only out to our customers quickly, but correctly.
Now that we have the robots in place, we're seeing as high as 99.85% picking accuracy.
Working with Infheos and Locus Robotics was a great success for us. The integration was very smooth, very efficient.
We're able to take the orders as they come down into the system and the Info software, and it goes through an optimization process, and then from there, that slides down into the Locus automation. Our go-live day was flawless. We had completely changed over from one to another, from one day to the next.
When we bring someone on, we used to train them 3 or 4 days, or I can bring someone on and train them within a couple hours.
The Infheos, Locus, and Dental City team are working together to continue to add value through this application, looking at adding things such as case picking and replenishment and put away flows.
We want to make sure that we can compete with the largest dental distributors within our industry. So as we grow, we're going to be able to scale our business to make sure that we can deliver our products each and every day.